Namaste. Diabetes, a lifestyle disorder, needs to be managed effectively by bringing about a change in our daily routine. Apart from medication, one is advised to lose weight, modify their dietary habits by incorporating low glycemic index food in their diet. Yoga as a practice has proven to be an excellent tool to manage diabetes by bringing blood sugar level in control. The underlying principle behind this is that yoga practices harmonizes the metabolic activity in our system. Before we begin the practice, do not forget to like the video and do subscribe to our Sri Sri School of Yoga YouTube channel. Now let's begin the practice.
Let's sit comfortably and easily. Gentle smile on our face, back straight. Take a deep breath in. Let go. We'll start with chanting Om 3 times. Let's breathe in for Om. Let's start with abdominal breathing. Breathing in will first expand our tummy, as if our tummy is expanding forward. Breathe in, push it out, and as you breathe out, pull it in. Breathe in, tummy goes out. Breathe out, pull the navel in. Continue, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And slowly relax. Now we're going to do Kapalabhati. Remember, in Kapalabhati, as we exhale forcefully from the nostril, we'll pull our navel in as if navel is going to touch the spine. Inhalation happens automatically here. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. For Kapalabhati, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Continue. Remember, inhalation happens automatically. We don't put in much effort. Only while we exhale, we put in effort to pull the navel in. Continue with the smile. In, 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 out, 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 and relax. You may slowly open your eyes. And let's gently start swaying our body left and right, like a pendulum. Sway to the left and then to the right. Now stretch your arms. Opposite arm stretched when you bend to the other side. When you bend to the left, right arm stretched to the left side. And when you bend to the right, left arm stretched to the right side. Continue. Left, right, left, right. Now we'll do a twisting exercise for the spine. Let's take both our arms up at the level of the shoulders and then gently twist our body left and right, keeping the position of our butts fixed on the ground. Just our back is twisting left and right. And now slowly and gently come back to the center and let's move into Marjariyasana, the cow cat pose. Palms right below the shoulders, knees right below the hips. Breathing in, look up, point the tailbone up towards the ceiling. And as you breathe out, tuck the chin in, tailbone tucked in, make a downward facing curve with your back. Breathe in, look up, make an upward facing curve. Breathe out, chin to the chest, make a downward facing curve. Now we'll raise the leg up. The right leg goes up as we look up, and the right knee comes close to the nose as we come down. Breathe in, right leg up, look up. Breathe out, right knee close to the nose. And continue, breathe in, breathe out. And gently you may relax your leg. Let's do it with the other leg. Left leg goes up, look up. And then down, knee to the nose, up and down, up and down, up and down, and gently relax. Place the butts on your heels and then slowly come into Vajrasana. Make a fist with thumb tucked inside. Place the fist in the abdominal area. Breathe in, pull the abdomen in as you breathe out, and then gently exhaling, bend forward and down. See if you can touch the ground with your forehead. With your fist pressing the abdomen. Breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, gently relax your fists. Now we'll do another practice. Let's gently place the right elbow on the abdomen such that the right elbow is resting on the right side of the abdomen. Now slowly raise your left arm up, left bicep touching the ears, and bend to the side. Your right elbow is gently pressing on the right side of your abdomen. Breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, gently relax your hand. Let's do it on the other side. Now left elbow coming to the left side of your abdomen. Press it a little. And then gently raise the right arm up, right bicep touching the right ear. And then slowly bend towards the left side. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Breathing in, slowly come back to the center, and breathing out, relax your hands. Now let us slowly straighten our legs. Both the legs stretched to the sides, right leg stretched to the right side, left leg stretched to the left side. Make a fist with both the hands, join them together. We will do the Chakki Chalana, grinding the meal from the right side. Breathing out, bend forward from the right. Breathing in, go back from the left. Breathing out, forward from the right. Breathing in, come back from the left. And continue a few more times with a smile on your face. Now slowly reverse. Continue. Breathing out, down from the left. Breathing in, up from the right. And now slowly straighten both your legs. Bring the legs together in front. And then we'll gently start the Nauka Sanchalana. Gently and slowly, as if you're rowing a boat. Continue the Nauka Sanchalana. Breathing in, take your arms up. Breathing out, bend forward and down. Breathing in, up. Breathing out, down. Breathing in, up, out, down. And continue. And slowly back to the center and relax. Now gently raise your right arm up. Place the right palm behind the body on the floor. Raise your left arm up and then gently place the left arm on the outside of the right knee. Left palm pressing on the outside of the right knee. Now slowly twist towards the right side and look behind from the right shoulder. Twist from your abdomen. Come back to the center slowly. And now let's do it on the other side. Breathe in, take your left arm up. Place the left arm behind the body. Left palm on the floor. Right arm up. Place the right palm on the outside of the left knee. Twist your body. Look behind from the left shoulder. Keep breathing here. Twist from the abdomen. Twist from the core. Breathing in, slowly come back to the center, and breathing out, relax your hand. Now gently bend your right leg and place the right foot outside the left knee. As you breathe in, take your right arm up, place the right palm behind the body. Once again, take the left arm up now. And hinge the left elbow against the right knee and slowly twist towards the right side. Your upper body twisted towards the right. Left leg is straight on the floor. Breathing in, slowly come back to the center, release your hand, straighten your leg. Let's repeat on the other side. Bend the left leg, place the left foot outside the right knee. Left palm behind the body, hinge the right hand against the left knee and twist towards the left side. And breathing in, slowly back to the center, straighten your legs and gently relax. Now slowly and gently lie down on your tummy, chin chest on the floor. Palms beside the thighs, facing the ceiling. Bend both your knees. Catch hold of your ankles with both your hands. Breathing in, lift up your chin, chest, legs off the floor. Come into the Dhanurasana, the bow pose. With every exhalation, make a gentle effort to lift your legs up tiny bit. Breathing out, slowly come down. Relax your leg. And now slowly turn over and lie down on your back. Bend your knees pointing up towards the ceiling, your foot on the ground. Both the feet are resting on the ground. Now as you breathe in, gently lift your hips up. Push it up towards the ceiling. Place the palms on the ground, facing downward. Breathing out, slowly and gently come down. And straighten your right leg. Now place the left foot on top of the right knee. Arms stretched at the level of the shoulders on the floor. Now gently twist your lower body towards the right and upper body towards the left. With the support of the right hand, you may push your left knee towards the right side. Make sure both the shoulders are on the ground. Breathing in, slowly come back up. Breathing out, gently straighten your leg. And repeat on the other side. This time, bend the right knee. Place the right foot on top of the left knee. twist your lower body towards the left side, upper body towards the right. With the support of the left hand, you may push the right knee towards the left side. Breathing in, slowly come back to the center. Breathing out, gently straighten your legs. Palms beside the thighs, facing the ceiling. Relax your whole body. Lying down here, we will tighten our whole body and then relax. First we breathe in, hold your breath, tighten your whole body, your legs, make a fist, tighten your fist, whole body, as if you're going to squeeze into a tiny little thing. And breathe out. One more time, breathe in, hold the breath, tighten your whole body, and
Let's continue lying down for 5 minutes. After lying down, we can sit up and we'll meditate with Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar. Link for the meditation is given in the description below. For a better result, we recommend you to practice this sequence regularly. Keep practicing yoga, stay healthy and happy. Namaste.